Hi students, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we are going to see a new lesson, money, savings and investment. In this lesson we are going to see evaluation of money, value, nature, function and importance of money, know about the savings and investment and to know about the black money. Then what is money? Money is a fundamental discovery which has eased the day-to-day transaction valuing goods and services and allows us to store the wealth and trade in future. Money is the fundamental one. We are exchanging the goods with the help of money. Okay, then evaluation of money. The word money is derived from Roman word moneto juno. It is the Roman goddess and republic money of Roman Empire. The Indian rupee is derived from Sanskrit word rupaya, which means silver coin. Today we use paper notes, coins as money, but the evolution of this stage has not happened overnight. It took thousands of years to reach such a stage. There are many stages of evolution of money. The earliest and primitive stage is barter system. Evolution of money. The money is first in Roman word moneto juno. It is the Roman goddess and republic money of Roman Empire. In India, it is and the rupaya comes from the Sanskrit word which means rupaya means silver coin, but we are nowadays we are using paper notes, coins, plastic money as a money. But the evolution is not stopped over a night. It takes many years. The early stages barter system. What is barter system? Barter system is exchange of goods without the use of money in the primitive stage. A barter system is an oldest method. Barter system is nothing but it is an exchange of goods between the goods without the use of money. Okay, many stages are evaluation of money: commodity money, metallic money, paper money, credit money or black money, near money and recent forms of money. Money has evolved through the different stages according to the time, place and circumstance. There are different stages of evaluation of money: commodity money, metallic money, paper money, credit money or bank money. These are the different types of money. Commodity money is nothing but it is the earliest civilization that was they are choosing as a money as goods like a fur, skin, salt, rice, wheat, utensils, weapons. They are used as a money. Metallic money means they are used as a metallic things like gold, silver, copper. They are used as a metallic money. Then they have some evaluations in the money. The money has some evaluations. History of metallic money. King Midas of Lydia innovated the metallic coin in the 8th century. King Midas of Lydia innovated the coin in 8th century by the historian Herodotus. But gold coins were used in India many centuries then in Lydia. The earliest of coins in the world are the ancient Indians along the Chinese and Lydians from the Middle East. The first Indian coins were minted in the 6th century BC by the Mahajanapadas known as the Puranas, Karshapanas or Panas. The Mauryans came up with the punch small coins, minting of silver, gold, copper or lead, and Indo-Greek Kushan kings introduced the Greek custom of engraving portraits on the coins. Turkish sultans of Delhi has replaced the royal designs of Indian kings with the Islamic calligraphy by the 12th century. Mughal Empire from 1500 to 26 AD consolidated the monetary system for the entire empire. In this period of Session Shoki, 178 grams known as the rupaya and was divided into 40 copper pieces or paisa during the whole Mughal period. Silver coin and remain in the user. Farrukhsir in Mughal Empire gave the permission to the Britishers to coin Mughal money at the Bombay Mint. They are using the different coins. Mauryan period they use some different coins, and Karshapanas they use different types of coin. Delhi Sultan, Tanka, Shirshan Shuri, Maurya they are used in different coins in different periods. Paper money. The money is the evaluation of money is paper money. Paper money is, it is the simplest and easiest method, and it is found, and is easy to travel wherever we go. We use the paper money. Paper money was found in 1935 by Reserve Bank of India. At present they produce a large part of the money consists mainly of currency notes or paper money issued by the Reserve Bank of Money. Instead of using gold coins, they are using the paper money for easy to travel, exchange this type of money. And credit money or bank money, this is also one type of money. They are used in emergency situation, although they are look like a paper. It is also a commodity type of money, because for easy withdrawal at the convenience through checks, they are used as a money. The check is known as the credit money or bank money. It is not the money, but it performs the same as function of money. Recent forms of money. What are the recent forms of money? Plastic money, e-money, online money, e-banking money. Plastic money. What is plastic money? This is the type of money in the forms of credit cards, debit cards. It is a cashless transaction. So it is a plastic money. E-money. E-money means electronic system. Electronic money. It is a type of money in banking computer system. And next one, online banking. Online banking is net banking. It is also known as internet banking in an electronic payment system that enables the customer of a bank or other financial institution to conduct the large transaction. And last one, e-banking. E-banking is electronic banking, also known as National Electronic Fund Transfer. It is a simple way to transfer funds directly from one account to another account. And next one, value of money. What is the value of money? Purchasing power of money over goods and services. Suppose we are purchasing one thing, means depends upon the particular things, the value of money is increase or decrease. It may be inflation or it may be a deflation. The money is depends upon the quality of goods. And next one, nature of money. What is the nature of money? Anything which state declare as money is money. Money is difficult concept to define, particularly because it fulfills not only but three functions, each one of them providing a criterion of moneyness, though of unit of account, a medium of exchange, a store of values. Depends upon the nature, depends upon the quality, the money or differs. And next one, savings in banks and investment. Why we are saving money in banks and investment? That is the future reference. That is our future goal. What is the function of money? There are many primary and secondary function. In primary function, the money is the medium of exchange and medium of measure of value. In secondary function, it is defined as the standard of different payment, store of value or store of purchasing power. Money is in savings. Money is an important role for in various purposes. Saving is not only for future, it also helps us to prevent and keep our ideas clean. In students level, the money is used for our engagement, school works, to maintain the future of account, to maintain the zero balance, for saving deposit, current account deposit, fixed deposit, money in for future usage. Savings, student savings account, saving deposit account, account deposit, fixed deposit. What is student saving account? Some banks offer students to save the money for young people, like in post office, like in banks. Some banks they are offering the student to save the money. it is the clear way to enhance the students to grow in a good way. And a savings deposit current, this is also your open by customer to save the part of the current account. The customers can withdraw the money from their accounts where they require it, and they have some interest for saving this deposit. And next one, account deposit means nothing but current accounts are generally opened by business firms, traders and public authority. Then fixed deposit, it is a long term process. The person also gets some interest in the fixed deposit. Benefits of saving, what are the benefits? We get the independently, we cannot depend others, we are getting money easily from the banks, not have to worry anything for our expenses. In future you will have financial backup, you will prepare your circumstance change. Today on better we get the good life. This is the benefits of savings. Then what is black money? Black money is a illegal money. It is a illegal money. It is the background of black money. Black money is a uncountable money. It is mostly created by business people. They do not show actual income earned in the economic activities. The black money is accumulated by the criminals, smugglers, hoarders, tax evaders and other antisocial elements of the society. In India, black money is earned in the black market on which income and other taxes have not been paid. The total amount of black money deposited in foreign banks by Indian is unknown. Black money is nothing but it is not the real money, it is not a good money. In some persons they are not able to pay the taxes for their income, so they use it as a money as black money. Some legislative framework in India against to black money. What are the acts that are given by the India means Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, Lokpal and Lokata Act, Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, the Undissolved Foreign Income and Asset Bill, Benami Transaction Prohibition Act 1988 amended in 2016, Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. First one, prevention of money. First stop the money, prevention of money laundering 2002, and Lokpal and Lokyata Act, prevention of corruption, prevention of undissolved foreign income. They give some of the legislative acts to stop the black money. In India, on 8th November 2016, the Government of India announced demonetization of all rupees 500 and 1000 bank notes against black money. In our country also, they put some rules to stop the black money. In effects of black money on economy, they have the undetermined equality, lavish consumption spending, distortion of production pattern, distribution of scarce resource, effects on production. If you are stopping the black money, there is a lot of people served by our good money. So the total amount of black money deposited in foreign banks is unknown. So the root cause for increasing the rate of black money in the country is the lack of strict punishments of the offenders. So they give us some legislative framework in India against the black money, Prevention of Laundering Act, Lokpal and Lokyota Act, Prevention of Corruption Act and Real Estate Regulation Act, Benami Transaction. These are some of the act to stop the black money. Up to this lesson completed. Now take your book and material to split the words. Thank you students. See you in next class.